Hello there. Today we decided because there's so much snow around, we really can't get into the woods. So we're going to tour around the city and look at the aftermath of a storm. It is now a week later from our Snowmageddon. So what do we wait for? Let's go have a look. Right off the bat, you can see that we have piles and piles of snow. The biggest problem is, where do you put it? And it has been a week later now, and the biggest obstacle for pedestrians is the sidewalks are not plowed. This particular street is supposed to be 2 lanes, and it's only down to 1 lane right now. The majority of the main streets are cleared by now, but there's a lot of side streets that they're still working on. Intersections are a problem still because of the high snow banks. It's hard to see if there's any traffic coming. You can see the banks on the side of the road are easily upwards of 6 feet high. Another side street down to 1 lane. Another side street. You can see that these people are dealing with tons and tons of snow here. Some of these banks were as high as my van. And we had a nice sunny day for touring around today. Good day to get rid of snow. This is one of the main streets, and the sidewalk is still not done. A little bit of a sidewalk opened up here. There was no school all week. A lot of businesses were shut down for the week. Even a week later, we can see that the people are still dealing with snow removal. Parking is a terrible issue. And unfortunately, the forecast is calling for more snow this week. I don't know where we're going to put it. mountains and mountains of snow. It's a winter wonderland. This was our first major snowfall for this season. Right here is a good example of how high the banks are, trying to poke your nose out to see if there's any traffic coming. Tons of snow. Up until Friday, this street was down to 2 lanes. It's supposed to be 4. Today we did see that they did a lot of work, got a lot of it cleared. You can see this lane here is starting to get a little narrow. Still no sidewalks in the city are cleared. They've been concentrating on getting the streets done. People walking on the side of the road. Really no choice. There's supposed to be an entrance right here on the right going into the Home Depot. Completely snowed in. And more snow. Lots of snow on the roofs. Big problem when it's heavy. And I included at the end here a before and after picture. Thanks for watching.